Financing, lack of technical expertise, major hurdles for many entrepreneurs. To move from hustling to an established business is no easy feat for startups, but help is coming from those who've walked the path. Jamaica, the best place in the Caribbean to do business. So says the world-renowned Forbes magazine. The business magazine also named Jamaica the third best business country in Latin America and the Caribbean. Such high accolade is evidence that the local business environment is improving, that the culture of Jamaica being a bottleneck bureaucratic business place is being eradicated. When the business environment improves, investors will come, and they've been coming. First Angels Jamaica is one of the most recent investors, and their aim is to revolutionize the entrepreneurial sector. They have the money and the skill. First Angels is headed by Joseph M. Matalan, Sandra Glasgow, and John J.J. Giwax. They are joined by 9 other members drawn from Jamaica and other countries. They invest in businesses as a group or individually.
We are a part of a worldwide movement. We are supported by the World Bank's InfoDev program. We just decided to take the plunge. So a group of us, entrepreneurs, decided that we were going to start the network and enlist others. And over the last 7 months or so, we have increased our number to 13 investors and 2 associate members, KPMG and Hartmuir-Head Fata.
This network of angel investors is focused on financing early-stage companies in Jamaica and the wider Caribbean.
By the end of 2015, to have invested in 5 companies as a start.
Interested persons will have to apply through the group's website. Successful applicants will receive coaching on how to make a successful pitch and/or will participate in a one-day training program. This is followed by an invitation for the entrepreneurs to pitch their business venture to the investors, who may either express interest or decline to invest in the companies. If it's a go, the investors will then undertake due diligence, which includes issuing a term sheet.
Each investment is different, and entrepreneurs come with different levels of ask. So we have people who want $100,000 or 40,000 US dollars or 80,000. So it really depends on the business, what stage it is at, whether it's a startup or it's a growing business. So we haven't put a dollar amount on our investment. And the angel investors, who are individual investors, decide amongst themselves how much they are going to invest.
First Angels Jamaica has already stamped its mark in the business sector by putting its money where its mouth is. First Angels Jamaica has provided technical support to projects that are part of the Startup Jamaica program. The investor group has also inked its first investment deal with local startup company DRT Communications.
The process is arduous. It pushes you to get your ducks in a row, creating a solid business, a sustainable business, a business that is going to continue to work. And working with First Angels, the process is clear, the framework is clear, but the opportunity exists for myself and for other small to medium entities in Jamaica.
Improved services at the wharf, a MSME and entrepreneurship policy, a one-stop shop at the company's office of Jamaica, and a single form to file tax returns. Just a few of the reforms implemented by the government within the past few years, which have started to reap benefits. So much so that more and more investors are coming on board, like First Angels Jamaica.